Mark, thank you very much. United Way of East Tennessee Highlands is still accepting donations for flood recovery. Roger Perkins, Aaron Cox with TPI Industries, as well as Leslie Dalton with United Way in studio with us today. And Leslie, I understand we have a very special announcement.
Yeah, like you said, TPI Corporation's here, and they are making a donation to our emergency relief fund of $150,000. Is amazing.
Unbelievable. You see the check right there, $150,000 to the United Way from TPI Corporation. Guys, first of all, why is it so important for you, your business employees, to put your best foot forward for our community right now?
We've just seen a tremendous amount of destruction and damage in the community, and we just want to help out where we can. And we just feel like it's important for us to be there. The community's been there for us in the past, and it's just an opportunity for us to pay it back.
The sense of satisfaction you have on behalf of your entire team to be able to have this kind of impact.
Well, TPI has been in the community for 75 years, and we always try to help the community when they're in need. And it is very satisfying for us to help.
And Leslie, when you see businesses like this come together and support the United Way and everyone that will benefit from this, what does it mean to you?
I mean, it means everything to have our companies step up and really understand that there's a need and want to help those in need. And this is just an amazing example of that. And we're seeing it across the community. So we really appreciate our community coming together and helping.
You know, helping people is nothing new for TPI. You do it maybe not on this scale every day, but day-to-day business, you're helping folks out, and this time it's just a chance to give back financially to the community. Talk about the employees and the people that make the business run.
We have wonderful employees. We have about 500, and they are there and committed to us every day and committed to the community. So like I say, it is our honor to be able to do this today.
And from the standpoint of the entire business, the sense of satisfaction that your employees get, knowing that their hard work is not just benefiting the company, but now spreading through the entire region in this time of great devastation.
Absolutely correct. And you know, as I say, it is our honor to be able to be here and do this today.
And we appreciate you. $150,000 donated. Leslie, talk about the last couple of days from your bird's eye view of the community as it comes through the United Way to the people most in need and what it means.
Yeah, so we're just focusing on making sure people are getting the information they need, and with donations like this, we're going to make sure that they're getting the help they need through our nonprofit organizations. 100% of these donations stay local. None of it will go outside of the community. It'll stay in Northeast Tennessee. We are taking no administrative or fundraising fees out of it. 100% will go to help those who have been affected by this disaster.
Well, we thank you all very much, and we thank you for your kind donation, $150,000 from TPI Industries in Gray. We thank you for your support of our community, not only today in our time of need, but every day. And we wish you all the very best as we all make it through this together. It really is the time when the rest of the world sees how great our community is, and we just appreciate you all being a part of it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To donate, you still can. The QR code is right there on your screen. You'll see it. Simply hold your phone camera up there. It'll send you straight to the donation site. Otherwise, you can go to our website, WJHL.com, and find a link to donate as well.